Welcome back to Cyber Tutor. In today's episode of our Network Fundamentals series, we're breaking down a core technology you'll use in almost every security job, Site-to-Site VPNs. If you're studying cybersecurity, understanding Site-to-Site VPNs is essential, especially for securing remote offices, cloud environments, and enterprise networks. Let's make it super simple. Let's dive in. A Site-to-Site VPN is a secure, encrypted connection between two or more networks, usually over the internet. Think of it as building a private, invisible tunnel between two locations, like connecting your London office to your Manchester office securely as if they were one local network. No remote users, no individual clients, just network-to-network communication. How a Site-to-Site VPN works? 1. Two networks exist in separate locations. Example, HQ network, branch office network. 2. Each location has a firewall or VPN gateway. These devices handle encryption, authentication, tunnel creation. 3. A secure encrypted tunnel is created between them. All traffic between the two networks flows through this tunnel. 4. Devices communicate securely as if they're on the same LAN printers, servers, databases. All can be accessed from either site. Behind the scenes of Site-to-Site, VPN PSIC, most common protocol, used for encryption, AES, 3DES, integrity checks, authentication, tunnel mode protection, IKE/IKEv2, negotiates the encryption keys. Tunnel mode encryption encrypts the entire packet, making it unreadable to outsiders. All of this ensures the connection is confidential, authentic, and tamper-resistant. Why Site-to-Site VPNs matter in cybersecurity? 1. Securely connects multiple offices. Instead of using expensive leased lines, organizations use encrypted tunnels. 2. Protects data over the internet. Even if attackers intercept traffic, the encryption makes it useless. 3. Critical for cloud security businesses connect on-prem networks to AWS VPC, Azure VNet, Google Cloud VPC. This creates a hybrid cloud securely. 4. Supports zero trust principles. It allows segmentation and controlled access between sites. 5. Prevents eavesdropping and man-in-the-middle attacks. Encryption equals unreadable data. Real-world uses of Site-to-Site VPNs. Banks connecting ATMs to central systems, hospitals connecting clinics securely, retail chains connecting stores, companies connecting to cloud networks, universities linking campuses. Every secure enterprise relies on this technology. Cybersecurity risks, if not configured properly, red flags. Weak encryption, breakable tunnels, EEG, outdated DES, weak keys, poor authentication, tunnel hijacking, misconfigured firewall rules, unauthorized access, no segmentation, attacker moves between sites freely, not rotating keys, predictable encryption. This is why cybersecurity professionals must know not just what Site-to-Site VPNs do, but how to secure them. Why you need to know this as a cybersecurity student. Understanding Site-to-Site VPNs prepares you for roles like SOC analyst, network security engineer, cloud security architect, pen tester, infrastructure engineer. You'll encounter VPN logs, troubleshooting, tunneling issues, encryption standards, and cloud connectivity every day. Mastering this concept gives you a strong foundation in secure networking, one of the biggest skills in today's industry. Wrap-up Site-to-Site VPNs are a foundational security technology used to connect networks securely over the internet. As a future cybersecurity professional, you must understand how they work, how to protect them, and how they support secure enterprise operations. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more lessons in our Network Fundamentals series. Stay curious, stay secure. See you in the next one.